Hello guys, yeah, so today we had the idea going to Splash Jungle Water Park again, yeah, because it's been a while, yeah, and actually my sister Marine never has been to this place, yeah. So about the entrance fees, yeah, it was 800 baht for tick, 800 baht for me because actually I could use my Thai driving license, yeah. Then for Alex was 800 baht as well because he's 12 years now already and he's counting like a Thai adult, yeah. Emily was 400 baht, Ben was free, yeah. And then for my sister, okay, no driving license or something, yeah. So for her was then, yeah, the foreigner price 1450 baht, yeah. And then okay, after that you go inside, yeah, and collect wristband. สวัสดีครับ4ผู้ใหญ่1เด็ก1อินเฟนนะคะรบกวนขอชื่อเล่น1ท่านค่ะติ๊กค่ะคุณติ๊กนะคะด้านในนะคะลูกค้าจะใช้เงินสดในการซื้ออาหารเครื่องดื่มไม่ได้ต้องใช้ลิปแบนเท่านั้นนะคะโดยการเติมลิปแบนก่อนขั้นต่ำที่500 บาทใช้ไม่หมดเราสามารถคืนเงินให้ลูกค้านะคะ With that one, then you can top up money. You put money on that one, and then everything what you're gonna doing inside, then you just use your wristband, and then they scan it, and take the money from that. So that is very convenient inside. So you can leave all your money in the locker or something. It's very good. And then, for example, we rented a small sala. Which was 600 baht for the full day. They also cut from that one, and then if you don't bring your own towels, it's also possible renting towels there for 100 baht each. And then yeah, I think we really had a very awesome day. So enjoy the rest of the video.
Before I just go to one time the green slider, and next one time and I go to the blue one, so that I don't want to go there. It's over dark. Looking in the step.
Hope you'll be okay.
I am the jungle water park. Let's get started. So many steps. Nearly there. Now we go there. The green. So the green. Next to the airport. I'm so scared. No! I just snapped my hand. Okay! And it's on the it's so deep. So pretty good.
So as you saw, that really was super fun, awesome day. I really like this water park, was super great. I hope you enjoyed this video here as well, and then we see us very soon again, guys. Okay, take care everybody, bye bye.
Hanan.
Okay, bye.